We've talked about Firebug, but we haven't really had a chance to look at the layout tooling inside of the Web Developer plugin we also added. There's a couple of key features here that are going to be useful. The Web Developer toolbar is just this toolbar up top, and it includes a lot of drop-down menus in order to take a look at some things. I'm going to not go through each and every tool for you because they're not all going to be useful on a day-to-day basis, but really highlight some of the high-use ones. The first one I'm going to talk about is Outline. An outline is going to allow you to go ahead and show outlines on your page of certain kinds of elements. And these are outlines that you can add for a number of these different kind of elements, and it is additive. So if I just do something like block level, we can see that it's created these outlines around everything that is a block level element. And that's pretty much everything on my particular page. But I can get a sense of how these things are put together because of the nature of this outlining. It looks like I have a block level element and then one inside of it, and it's using colors to kind of create a sense of some hierarchy here. Let's get rid of those, and let's decide to outline some specific elements, like tables or links, or in this case I'll do headings. I only have one heading in this whole project, so it's not as interesting, but you could see in something more complex, you could have an idea of, H1, 2s, and 3s only being shown, so you can really select and see what's wrong about that. Another thing I really like about the outline, let's get rid of that one, is show deprecated elements. This is going to outline anything that is not actually supported well in the Firefox browser. We're not seeing any of these because, of course, I have coded it to an inch of its life or stolen most of the code from an HTML template, whichever you prefer to think of. You can also include some options like show element name. So let's go back into our block level elements and let's turn on this show element names. This is actually going to allow you to look and kind of see visually what elements are there, what elements are being block outlined, but also the type of element, divs, paragraphs, unordered lists, etc. So you can really get a sense of the structure of a particular page.